Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to unhide or unarchive photos on Instagram. So for the end of this, if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the Instagram application on your phone. Once opened, click on the profile picture at the bottom right. And now, click on menu at the top right. Hang on for the settings and activity page to open. Once opens, locate and click on archive. Once you selected archived, just hang on, then locate the post you want to unhide or unarchive, click on it. Click on the three dots on it. Then go ahead and click on show on profile. Then it should say show on profile, click on it. Then it should say restoring. Now go back to your Instagram profile, refresh the page. Then it should say the post, video, or reel unhide or unarchived. And then you're good. So that's exactly how to unarchive or unhide post on Instagram. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.